MPC Sample allows you to add automation to your sample parameters, such as filter cutoffs, envelopes, to tune in, allowing you to add even more creative effects over your beats. As an example, I'm going to take our melodic loop and we're going to add a filter. And what we're going to do is we're going to automate the filter as it opens up. So hit sequence record. And now we open up our filter using our control knob 1. So now let's play this back. And you can see that it's recorded the automation, opening up the filter. So now let's take the same process and apply this to our drum loop. And now we're going to close the filter. Really taking it lo-fi. Now let's play this back. Now, if you want to erase your automation, simply hold down Shift. Make sure you've selected a pad where you recorded the automation and turn the K knob. This will just erase the automation that you've recorded. And then you can start again and then add a different type of speed to your automation. So it's very simple to add this to your beats. Thanks for watching this tutorial on MPC Sample. See you next time.